So let me tell you a story. There I was one day and we were doing our books. I was sitting in an office with my manager when I looked out on the floor and I could see a trainer working with somebody. And I thought, you know what? I remember that trainer's been super busy lately. They've been with us for about 8 months, 9 months at this point. I remember him being super busy for a long time. And so we looked at it, we ran some reports and we found out, let me just get rid of this, that out of the 20 days of the month, he had worked 18 days at an average of 6 hours a day. Right? So he had worked 6 hours of client work every day. And after paying him, we realized the profit coming to me was $276 a day. Every day that I had him work, I'm not talking about paying his salary, I'm saying what came to me as an owner, $276 every single day. So over the course of the month, multiply that by 18 days, I can't remember what it is, but 18 times 2 is 36, 3,600, 76, so 5,400. So every month I was making over $5,000 off of him. Add in a second trainer. What do you think I make? $276 a day. Add in a third trainer. How much do you think I make? $276 a day. Every day that he was there, I was making $276 without lifting a finger. And all I had to do was provide that education path forward. And all of the patients he had worked with, by the way, in those 18 days, every single one of the people he worked with as a client had been a patient we had pushed from the clinic into the gym with him. So it showed me that this is the perfect model. It's absolutely the perfect model to have the clinic and the gym blended together. All right. I think that's it. We're all done. So if you've enjoyed this video, then check out our other videos. Love to have you join us at Clinic Gym Hybrid. We offer live events, software that helps you run this practice, and consulting if you're interested. So check us out at clinicgymhybrid.com. I'm Dr. Josh. We'll see you later. Thanks so much for checking out these videos. I hope they're useful. We'll cover things like rehab, exercise, business model, progressions, layout, everything else that helps you build a clinic. So if you're interested, you can click here, there, to get more videos just like this.